Guys, it's back with Kathy here, and today I am gonna make a lemon tryout. So, there will be two volunteers. So, one is my sister Mavis, and one is my sister Karen, who is very excited because it's her first time trying out their lemon.
No, second time.
And for my sister, it's second time. So, first we'll try this little lemon. Okay. So I'll squeeze it to Mavis and try.
There's a what?
And try. What is it like? Okay. Okay. So please squeeze. What is it like?
Tasty.
Okay. So your turn, Karen. Hello. Please. Oh no. What is it like?
Tasty.
Okay, for the second tryout, it's not so big, but it's a medium one. So another tryout.
So sour.
And Mavis is already thinking it's so sour. Please. Does it taste yummy? Okay, so she got it in the eyes, and now I have to give tissue to her. Just a minute. So my mom is helping me cutting the lemon because we're gonna make a lovely jar of lemon here, like those. So then the second tryout is for Karen. Medium tryout. Here we go. Please. Let's see how Karen taste it.
You just show my eye.
She also cut in the eye. Is it better? Is it sour? Okay. So then the level 3 tryout, which is not really that much, and it is, let me think. What kind of lemon do you like? I think this is a bit big. Yeah, see? It's a bit big.
Oh my god.
So then the third one, Mavis again. Please. Please.
My eyes are so sour.
Okay, so no one wants to do it, so I'll do it. So I'll do it. Oh my gosh, I cannot hold it. It's so sour.
Oh.
So guys, can you please tell me, do you like the lemon? If you like this video, please like and subscribe it and write some comments below. Bye bye. Say bye bye.